Perfect. And then I think I made it so everyone can share. Let's see. Yeah. All right, perfect. So let's see. Alrighty, so who wants to go first with sharing their sketch and design?
Jolita, you've got yours right there, right?
Yes, I can go first. This is my sketch, if you guys can see it. Sorry. I was actually, the idea behind it, I was sitting there looking at my actual living room.
Yeah.
Because I was thinking about redecorating again. And it just came to mind that this can go here, that can go there, whatever. But thought about putting my couch over here in the, let me put you guys down. Putting my couch over here next to my biggest wall next to the window, and I actually have a TV. I was trying to draw a TV up here, but it didn't work out too well. So I just made a big picture.
I like
And
it.
then I have some resting chairs over there, and there's a little coffee table up next to the couch, and then just a little rug. It was just something that I came up with what I have going on in my actual living room.
Nice. I like it.
Thank you. Not an artist though.
It's all good. All right, who would like to go next? Or I can go next.
I'll go.
All right.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, me?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, okay. Let me share my screen. All right. There we go. Let me know when everyone can like see it.
Yeah, I can see it.
I can see it.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, I can see it.
All right, so I didn't really fully like know what to like how to draw it out, but this is kind of what I did. So can y'all see my mouse on here?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
So down here is like I really like the like concept of just a big open living room, dining room, because when I lived in Louisiana, that's how our house was. So we could like see straight out into the backyard, and then I love these type of couches, so I figured that would work here with windows, and then tables, so it's people can put their stuff there, and then like the flow of it, so like it's like a big square almost rectangle that you can just move around, and then like a big rug that will go under both of the couches, and yeah, the dining table. Like I didn't know if we were like allowed to just do just a living room or a dining room too, with the seating.
Well,
But
yours is in one space, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
But I figured having seating that you're able to face each other and talk would be nice. And then also being able to sit like over here and still be able to talk to whoever wants to sit at a dining table, or like anywhere that it's still open, that everything is like pushed towards the middle if you want it, Yeah. So that's
I
my
like it.
Thank you.
Do the double doors, what does that say? Oh, that's to the backyard.
Add doors to backyard, and then this is just a door. I just thought I should add some doors in randomly.
I see.
Yeah. And then I just added some windows and some plants. Big area rug. Yeah.
Nice.
Good.
Thank you. Alrighty. Let me stop sharing this. Wait, there we go. Alrighty. Who would like to go next?
Yeah, I'll go. So I've got mine like Jolita had hers.
Yeah.
Can you see this?
Yeah.
Okay, so here I have a big leather tufted couch. It's the one that has like buttons. I've just always wanted one of those big leather couches. It's in front of a fireplace. There's a tree and an indoor plant, coffee table, and an area rug, and then there's two other chairs. Those are both also leather, and they're meant to look similar, but I wanted them to be different enough that they would be unique. And I don't know, I like the warmth of leather, so they would all be leather.
I like it.
I like that idea,
So like it all goes together.
Yeah,
but a little bit different. Just it'll match, but it not necessarily match.
it would match, but it wouldn't be the same. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
All right, that's mine.
How
Yeah,
close is the couch to the sofa to the fireplace?
Oh, is it not close enough to burn?
Perfect. I was like, when I saw that picture you sent in the group chat, I was just like, wow, the couch is right in the fireplace.
Yeah.
I thought the exact same thing.
All right, who wants to go next?
I can go. So I kind of went with more, you guys can see it, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So I kind of want to go with more like a comfy vibe. It didn't turn out quite like I wanted, but I tried. So I kind of imagine like a log cabin type place with like lots of stone and natural wood. So all the couches around here and the chairs are leather, a wooden coffee table, a nice brick fireplace or stone fireplace in the background, and a TV mounted on the wall, some family pictures and other decorative pieces. And like I said, I want it to kind of be like cabin, like very natural, but I wasn't really sure how to describe that through a drawing.
It looks very cozy.
That was my goal, so glad I accomplished that.
I really like your drawing.
Yeah.
Like it shows.
It reminds me of something that I had seen at one of my family members' houses when I was little.
It definitely gives like a cozy vibe.
Yeah.
Cool, I accomplished my goal then.
I really like it. Of
Thank you.
course. Alrighty. Last person to go, right? Kessler?
Yeah. Unfortunately, I've been really busy at work. I haven't had time to revisit last week's and get the design drawn. I like the aesthetics that like I don't know. I like the way it seemed like our team, every person pretty much took a different like approach to the design challenge. Like for instance, Lexie, yours was like a floor plan, whereas Collin, yours was like a drawing, and Michael, yours was also similar to a drawing, but more of I don't know, more like kind of halfway between a floor plan and a drawing. It felt like.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So like, I like the way it showed like the different aspects we can look at design. I thought that was pretty intriguing. Also, Collin, yours and Michael, yours as well. I think that those two like aesthetics together would work really well. For instance,
For
like
sure.
the leather, you know, set authentic, and then like the cozy kind of vibe. Like those two seem to match very well.
Yeah, I agree.
I apologize for not having anything really to contribute to this. I appreciate y'all for letting me be here though.
Of course. So we have to like choose who, like the one we're gonna go off of.
Yeah.
I personally think we should go off Collins because I
Yeah,
really
I agree.
Yeah.
All right, Collin, is that okay if we go off yours?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, perfect. Do you want to share your screen again so we can all like see it while we're talking about it? Alrighty.
So do we have to add something to it? Is that what we have to do?
It says discuss what you all think an ideal seating area should look like and then make adjustments or improvements to the selected sketch to create a final design model.
Kessler, the thing to the very left, is that another sofa?
Yes. I tried to make it somewhat of a kind of perspective, but I failed at that. Kind of
So
looks like
it's just you just can't see the back of it.
yeah.
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
I was kind of guessing it was another chair or sofa.
Honestly, I thought it's either a chair or a sofa, or like I said, it reminds me of one of my family members' living rooms when I was little, so it could have been a piano.
Yeah.
Maybe that's something we could add to
Yeah.
the space, a piano. I'm not very musical myself, but if we were
I'm not either.
designing for a client, maybe that's something that we could incorporate.
Yeah.
Yeah, that still fits the theme.
Like an upright piano, not a baby grand or anything, but just an old
Yeah.
upright. Yeah.
And actually, when I was younger, my grandfather had a Hammond organ in his living room.
My grandmother did too. Any other ideas of what could be added or changed? Or, I mean, I think that we all really like it as it is.
I like it as it is.
Yeah, I like it as is too. Um, is it like okay to ask like what grade all of us got on our sketch?
Sure. Oh, okay.
Because I got an 8 out of 10 on mine.
I think I had an 8.5 out of 10.
I got you.
I don't know what I had. I could look it up.
I got an 8.
All right, so I guess we have to like think of ways we can improve the sketch to also make it a 10.
Maybe because I didn't have any labeling on mine, maybe some labels exactly what it is, maybe the type of material as far as the seating.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think maybe some kind of notation, like either labels or like some kind of I assume if labels are okay, you'd be allowed to put like some details such as like something that might be harder to represent, like as far as how to make it look leather. Maybe you'd be allowed to write that the seating material would be leather, or whatever the case may be.
Yeah.
Have kind of like an index or something up to the upper left or in one of the corners somewhere that kind of detailed that information to make it more like easy to replicate, I guess, as far as like what you have in your mind compared to what the person viewing it would think.
Right.
Yeah, I agree.
One of the things that I think would help it a lot would be kind of some kind of easier way to tell the distance between objects. For instance, for me, like it seems, I don't know, maybe like I see that I assume that's the door in the corner, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, yeah. So like the distance between it and the closest chair, it's really hard to discern how much space is actually there.
Yeah, I agree.
I don't mean that to sound like
Oh, no, that's
rude or
okay.
anything. It's and I honestly I don't have a solution for that either. So I really kind of don't know what to do to fix that myself. But some kind of way to judge the distance between objects a little better might help.
Maybe I can add some wood flooring or something like that. Maybe a rug underneath the table.
I think that's a good idea. Yeah.
And
Give it a
that
little bit more
fits with
detail.
the cozy theme as well.
Maybe coloring in it a little bit. Where you have the fireplace, actually show that there's that fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can
Then
try.
I think that would also help like show that like the couches are leather, you know, and also like a wooden table, like a lighter brown maybe, or darker. So it just like show kind
Okay.
of what more looks like.
Okay, so I made a little list here. I can add some labels to things, add some color. Um, maybe replace that left couch with a piano.
Mhm.
And
Yeah.
I think I can do that.
And the,
Like, would you add a window at all anywhere in there?
That's what that painting on the back was supposed to be, but
Oh, I got you.
I really couldn't figure out how to make it look like a window. So I just made it a painting.
I got you. It's much easier than trying to do a window for sure.
I don't know how good you are at drawing people, but I know that in a lot of mock-ups for, architecture or something, they insert like people in it so you can feel, it feels like it's lived in. What do you think of that idea, like adding people that are seated at the chairs or at the piano or something like that?
Stick people, but I'm not sure if I can draw.
Stick people, yeah, I got you. I'm not very good either, so.
Or even just like the head of someone like on the back of like the couch on the right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can add something like that.
Or you could draw a little stick dog somewhere running around in there.
yeah, laying down on the rug or something.
Okay, so I've got some ideas we can add. Is that all we have to do?
I think so. Let me look at the thing one more time. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's, yeah. We'll just develop one of the sketches into a final sketch.
I like our ideas.
Yeah, me too. Because I think with like the coziness of how you drew this, it just can like easily add a few different things, you know, to make it really stand out a bit more.
Yep.
So is it good to like stop recording now?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Let's think we got it.
Perfect.